We first open the APP, then click Register. Go to the Creation interface. Let's enter the invitation code first. Enter the invitation code to enjoy more exclusive activities. For example, the latest 1000U airdrop activity. Enter the invitation code up. Enter the email again. Then enter the password. The password needs uppercase and lowercase plus numbers. Make sure to fill in the invitation code. Click to register. Drag the slider. It will be sent to your mailbox at this time. Send an email. We fill in the verification code in the email. So it's registered. The next step is to verify our identity. We click to verify. The country will be selected here. Country of residence. The selection is not over yet. We click to verify. Here's another country to choose. This country is the issuing country of our documents. Here we can choose China. You can also choose Hong Kong. For example, in Hong Kong, you can also choose Macau. Let's take the mainland as an example. We will choose China. We can use ID cards or passports. Don't choose a driver's license. Driver's license can be traded, but the application cannot be made. Here we choose the tick in the lower left corner. Then click OK. Click here to allow camera use. It has some requirements. Then click Continue. At this time, you will need to take a photo. We click Continue. To this interface, we will take a photo of the certificate after we shoot the ID card, then perform a facial recognition. Basically, it can be passed in a few minutes. After passing, we will go back to the identity authentication interface. Here you can see that the certification has been passed. It shows standard certification. At this time, we can conduct normal transactions and sales. Click on the card. Then select the region in the upper right corner and select Australia. Click OK and then click Get Card. The country of choice for this place is Australia. Point OK. Click Next Step directly here. You need to fill in the invitation code for this place. After filling in the invitation code, there are many benefits to come. Almost 350U, a few thousand RMB. Click OK. In this way, the card has already been applied for. It says 1-7 days on it. Then we click back. Enter the welfare center. There are many rewards. You can pick it up. I will also put the card-related rewards on the screen. There is a 300U cap in the first month. There is also a 50U 5% cashback. There is a consumption of 100U, 3 rewards directly to the wallet. All kinds of miscellaneous rewards together. Let's go back to the card and look at the audit results. Here we see that the card review has passed. The card has been completed. We go to the card management page. You can see that the card has been successfully issued here.